Hi everyone, this is Satish from the Bling Detailing Studio. In this video, we are about to see how an old helmet is changed to a new one. Watch the video without skipping. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe now and click the bell button. This Vega helmet is mine. It is 8-year-old helmet and it is one of my favorite. I am going to change this matte look helmet to a glossy chameleon using samurai spray paint. I have explained how to do it in a step-by-step manner. Before doing paint work, surface preparation is very important. After the surface is cleaned, wet sanding is done. This will make the surface smooth and even. Once wet sanding is done, helmet is ready for painting. But before we start, we need to mask the non-painted area. First step is to apply the surfacer. Surfacer, also called primer, creates a bond between the body panel and paint. So the surfacer keeps the paint long lasting without it withering off from the panel. For good finish and long lasting paint, we have to apply 3 layers of surfacer. There should be a proper time period and drying period between each application, be it surfacer or paint or clear coat. Surfacer work is complete. Now we are going to apply flat black. Why are we going to apply flat black is, we would have studied in science that when we mix white with red we get rose, red with green gives brown. Same concept we are going to apply here. Hence we need to apply flat black and then apply the chameleon colors. Only then molecules in the chameleon colors will get activated and give glitter. You may ask me what will happen if I apply the chameleon color on top of the surfacer itself. If you do so, the molecule in the chameleon color won't work and the glitter won't show. If you know the proper color mixing only, you will be able to achieve the pigmentation and glitterings. Like how I applied 3 layers of surfacer, I also applied 3 layers of flat black. Now I am going to apply chameleon color. You can watch the molecule getting activated and how it is glittering in the sun. Whatever material I am using is from samurai paint. Samurai chameleon is an unique aerosol paint which gives 3 sparkling shades in sunlight. Why I chose samurai paint is because it is long lasting and petrol resistant. You may ask me how this is petrol resistant. If you applied petrol on other aerosol paints, it will come off. But this samurai paint, when applied with petrol, won't come off. I have already tested. If you would like to get samurai paint, check out the description for the contact details. You shall approach them and get it for yourself. Color activation is over. Now I am going to apply clear coat to protect it. As I told already, I have applied 3 layers of each. Likewise, I am going to apply 3 layers of clear coat. My favorite helmet has become new now and I have got new visor and lock set. Visor is 200, lock set is 100, a total of 300. I have shown the visor and lock set in this video. Now you all got to know how to make an old helmet into a new one. Watch the complete video and share with us your opinion on the final output of the helmet. I hope this video was useful. If you like the video, click the like button and suggest to your friends too. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe now and click the bell button. Thank you all for watching this video fully. Meet you again with another video. Until then, this is Satish signing off from the Bling Detailing Studio. Thank you.